So revising this, from tk enter we will import the full file. From tk enter.ttk we will import the full file. From time we will import the strf time, which is the format for time. Now we will give a variable root equal to tk and give double bracket, then root equal to title, that is we will name it clock. Then we will define the time and give a string equal to strf time, and we will give the format to it. And then we will configure the label for it, which we have defined over here. So now label.config text will be a string file. So now define after the label, it will be label.after, which is the second format. 1000 is the code for second, and it will be the format for time. So now it will be label equal to, we will define the label which we gave it here. So equal to label, then we will define the font. The font link will be given in the description. So after this, anchor equal to center, this will center line, and the main loop will continue to loop the program. Now let's move to the practical of this. Let's run this. Okay, so here is the pop-up clock for this. Now you can see the time, it is 20:56, and it is showing the time over here. So this clock works accurately, and now if I change it to yellow, and if I play this again, wait, let me close this. Now if I play this, now see this, it is changed into yellow. You can change this to any color, like lime will suit this. So if we type a lime over here, lime, so lime looks like this. So yeah, so you can customize your file like this, and that's the code for this. Hope you like the video, and if this worked out for you, please like it, and comment down which color did you choose for this. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. Till then, peace out.